Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use margin on Charles Schwab. Margin trading allows you to borrow money from Charles Schwab to buy securities, potentially increasing your purchasing power. While this can amplify your returns, it also significantly increases your risk of loss. To open a margin account, you generally need a minimum of $2,000 in cash or eligible securities. It's crucial to understand these basics before proceeding. When you use margin, your loan is secured by the eligible securities already in your Charles Schwab account. Interest on the borrowed amount accrues daily and is typically charged to your account monthly. Charles Schwab sets specific initial and maintenance margin requirements, which vary depending on the type of security you are trading. Understanding these mechanics is key to managing your margin account effectively. Margin trading carries significant risks, most notably the potential for a margin call. A margin call happens when the equity in your account drops below a certain maintenance percentage, requiring you to deposit additional funds or securities. If you fail to meet a margin call, Charles Schwab may be forced to liquidate your assets without your consent, potentially at a loss, to cover the borrowed amount. Using margin responsibly is paramount. Always ensure you fully understand the associated risks and your personal financial capacity before engaging in margin trading. Continuously monitor your account's equity and margin requirements to proactively avoid unexpected margin calls. Remember, margin can be a powerful tool, but it demands careful management. Also, for other great deals, and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.